Before removing the old toilet seat, clean the seat as well as the rim and the bowl of the toilet itself. At the back of the bowl, locate the lever on the back of the toilet seat assembly. Slide the lever to the left to unlock the seat. While the lever is to the left, pull the seat towards the front of the Flomax toilet bowl and away. This will allow the seat to slide off. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the seat base assembly. Remove the rest of the seat assembly, the adjustable seat blocks, the toilet seat base, and the expanding seat nuts. Appropriately dispose of the old seat. Install the new seat assembly pieces as follows, starting with the expanding seat nuts, the toilet seat base, the adjustable seat blocks, and install the screws with a screwdriver, making sure not to over-tighten and crack the bowl. Apply the lid and seat assembly by sliding it onto and over the installed toilet seat base. Listen for a clicking sound once it's locked into place. After the seat has been installed, open and close the lid to make sure that it completely closes over the seat. Jiggle the seat and confirm that it's secure.